Hey everyone, this is Pat Walley. I'm live here in Folsom, California with Dignity Credit Solutions. This is a brand new YouTube channel. We want you to go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click the button down there and subscribe to our YouTube. I'm going to be posting all kinds of content. We've got a podcast coming up that we're going to be interviewing some business leaders, millionaires, 6, 7, 8-figure income earners, and talking about how you can fund your business, get cash flow, and actually learn how to manage your finances to become wealthy. It's not just about credit cards and student loans. I mean, we do need to have credit for houses and cars and that kind of thing. But how about if you had a life of 0% interest, 0 debt, 0 worry, money-wise? Until you can actually fund everything, you're going to need a little bit of credit. And we have a very special offer on how you can build your business credit without using your social security number, no matter what your credit score is, what your personal credit score is. Doesn't matter. We have a great system on how to build that. So go ahead again and subscribe to our channel and keep tuned. This is Pat Walley with Dignity Credit Solutions. You have a blessed day.